Tiny Toons TV, homes for kids' cartoon.
Hey friends, let's visit a farm and meet farm animals. Going to be fun, so stay tuned with us.
Hey, here I can see a cow. Cow gives us milk. Milk has a lot of nutrients. I love drinking milk. Next, we saw a sheep. Sheep gives us wool. We make clothes out of it. Hey, I can see a goose. White color goose. It lays eggs. I have met horses. Those are having shiny hairs. I love riding horse. We saw a lot of hens and chicks in the farm. We played with it and loved it. We met goats. They always chew. I really loved watching them chewing. There were a lot of pigs and piglets. They were cute and chubby. We saw a few donkey there. They are really hard working. Suddenly we heard a noise. Quack, quack. We turned and saw ducks. Those were wandering around. At last we were elated to see beautiful rabbits. They were eating carrots. We loved them.
That's all, dear friends. Hopefully you have enjoyed the way we did at farm. Stay tuned with Tiny Toons TV for more videos like this. Bye.
Tiny Toons TV, like, share, and subscribe.